Ever wonder how machines learn and make predictions? Ever pondered over the process behind music recommendation services that seem to know your taste in music better than you do? Well, you're about to unravel the mystery. Welcome to the intriguing world of machine learning with Python and Jupyter Notebook. Machine learning, in essence, is the art of teaching machines to learn patterns from data and make intelligent predictions. It's akin to training a pet, but with data and algorithms instead of treats and commands. This amazing technology is often preferred over traditional programming techniques for solving complex problems because it's capable of learning and improving over time. Imagine you're tasked with predicting the kind of music people like. A daunting task, isn't it? But with machine learning, it's entirely feasible. You'd start by building a model, or an engine, and feeding it a lot of data. The model then finds patterns in the data and uses them to make predictions. But how does one go about this? It all starts with data. Data is the lifeblood of any machine learning project. You import it, clean it, and split it into training and testing segments. You then create a model and train it using the training data. Once the model is trained, it's time to put it to the test. You use the testing data to make predictions and evaluate the accuracy of your model. Python is the language of choice for many when it comes to machine learning, and for good reason. It's powerful, versatile, and blessed with an array of libraries that make machine learning a breeze. Libraries like NumPy and Pandas are great for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization, and Scikit-learn for machine learning tasks. Jupyter Notebook is another tool that you'd find invaluable in your machine learning journey. It's an open-source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Installing it is a breeze, especially if you're using Anaconda, a free and open-source distribution of Python and R for scientific computing. Once you've got Jupyter Notebook up and running, you can load your dataset from a CSV file right into it. With the help of Pandas data frames, you can then explore your data using methods like shape to check the dimensions of your data frame, describe to get statistical details of your data, and values to retrieve the actual data in the data frame. And the best part? Jupyter Notebook comes with a host of shortcuts that make navigating your code a piece of cake. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the machine learning process with Python and Jupyter Notebook. From importing data to making predictions, you've seen it all. Remember, machine learning is a powerful tool that can solve complex problems, and Python, with its rich set of libraries, makes it all the more accessible. And with tools like Jupyter Notebook, you have everything you need to embark on your machine learning journey. But this is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of machine learning concepts and techniques waiting to be explored. If you're intrigued and want to delve deeper, there are online coding schools and comprehensive Python courses that can take your skills to the next level. Happy coding. Voiceover. Before we wrap up, there's one more thing we'd like to mention. If you found this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the world of machine learning, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Not only will this support us in creating more high-quality content, but it will also ensure you're the first to know when we release new videos. Whether you're a novice coder or an experienced programmer, we aim to make machine learning accessible and engaging for everyone. Your support helps us do just that. And remember, the learning doesn't stop here. Alongside our video content, we also have a plethora of resources available on our website, including detailed blog posts, interactive quizzes, and forums where you can ask questions and engage with a community of like-minded learners. So, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, join our community, and let's continue this machine learning journey together. Stay tuned for more. Happy coding.